friend Rochelle here, and I'm back to share some yarn goodness with you all today. So I have some finished projects, some work in progress, and I have a little bit of sewing to share with you all. So let's get started. So I have been working on some pillows. It's kind of a funny story how this came about. A friend of mine, her daughter had one of those little teepees that you put in your room, and somehow the teepee got like a tear in it or something, but her mom and dad did not want to throw away the fabric because they really liked the fabric. So I volunteered to make some pillows, some outdoor pillows for their swing set. And the challenge was, you have triangle pieces of fabric that you have to cut out squares, and that was the challenge. But I feel like I conquered the challenge. I managed to squeeze 3 pillows out of that fabric. And just so you all know what the teepee is that I'm referring to, I will insert a picture of it here. Okay, so you all just saw what the teepee looked like before I got my hands on it. So here's one of the pillows. And actually I just made like a pillow cover, or pillowcase rather. And inside I used some pillows that I got from Hobby Lobby. And since these are going to be used outside on the porch, I wanted to have waterproof pillows. And so they're all different sizes. And this one isn't closed up, but I do have one where I actually enclose the pillow. And so just to show you all what pillow sizes I got, I kept the paper or the wrapping so I could share with you. Let's see. Okay, the one I just showed you was a 14 by 28 inch pillow insert. Here it is. You can get a Hobby Lobby. Let's see, they're not too expensive. So there's that one. And I have this little one right here. And I am dropping stuff. Okay. I have this little one here. It's so cute. And the pillow insert inside of this one is, let's see. It is a 12 by 16. So there's that one. It's so cute, so little. And then the last one I have is, it's a 12 by 22 pillow insert. And here's this one. It's a 12 by 22. And as you all will see, this one is closed in. So I wanted her to be able to take the pillowcases off and, wash the pillow inside if she wanted to. So I put these snaps on the end. Now I've never done snaps before, but I figured it was, pretty easy. So you have these snaps here. They just pop off like this. And they go back really easy. I think it's a great idea. And I hand sewed those on, of course, which was a challenge in itself, but I think it came out all right. And I feel like this is going to look great on her porch. And the snaps that I used were from Hobby Lobby. It's from their Sewology brand. And you get 6 of them, but there are these little snap-ons. So yeah, it was fun to make. And like I said, it was my first time ever sewing snaps on, so it was fun. It was really fun. I'm not crazy about the hand sewing so much, but it was fun. I still enjoyed it. Alright, so let's see, what else do I have to talk to you all about? Let's see, I do have some works in progress, but let's move on to another finished project that I have. And this is a crochet project. So a friend of mine, she just had a new granddaughter, and she wanted me to make her a pink and black square blanket. And so we decided to do a granny square blanket. And she wanted me to make it big enough so that the child can use it till, you know, she's like 2 years old. So this is a 4x4. And the yarn is Hobby Lobby. And I will put the color names of those colors right here. I do believe that they are hot pink and black. I do believe those are the colors. But anyway, this is it. It's really big and it's awesome. My phone is going off. Weird. Alright. But yeah, love it. It's so nice. And it's really soft. It's super soft. So that's that. Of course, I can never get it in the frame because it's really big. But she also wanted me to make a coordinating pillow to go with it. So I went and I bought another pillow insert from Hobby Lobby. This one was a 12x12. And this is what I made. And so pretty much I just made 2 granny squares, and then I did a single crochet stitch all the way around to join the squares. And that's how it came out. I think it's great. And it's super soft. I kind of want to keep it for myself. But it's wonderful. And once again, this is not from a pattern. I just figured it out. And for I use the same pattern that I use for the blanket. And I have a tutorial on how to crochet a granny square if you're interested. So here it is, matching set. And I will leave a link in the description box below for that video. Alright, so let's see, what else do I have? Because I took notes. Let's see. Okay, so let's move on to works in progress. I only have one, but I figured I had gone too long without knitting, so I figured I would knit something simple. Well, while I was in Hobby Lobby, I came across this yarn called Yarn Bee, and it is called Scrubology, Scrub It, and this is in the Fire Red. It's 3 ounces and 79 yards. So I was trying to figure out what I would make with this because it has like that scrubby type of texture, but it's not super tough. It's not super hard like a Brillo pad. It's actually really soft and easy to work with, but it has like, I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain it. It kind of has like a rough texture, but not enough to like scratch your hands up while you're trying to work with it. It's really great. The color is very, very vibrant. But I am making just a simple traditional washcloth. And this is how much I've done so far. In my kitchen, the colors are red and white, so I figured this would go with it really well. And it would match the other knitted washcloth that I have, which is red as well. But it does have like a little sparkle to it. And it's nice and stiff. And I feel like this is going to be great for scrubbing pots and pans. Yeah, I really like it. I'm not quite sure how long I'm going to increase before I start decreasing, but we'll see. I'm just kind of, you know, going along with it. We'll see where it ends. Alright, what else? Oh, I did want to share an announcement with you all. I have a new base in my shop. Now, I just got back from the Peace Hill Fiber Festival, which was amazing. Thank you so much to everyone that came out and saw me. It was fantastic. I always enjoy going to the Peace Hill Fiber Festival. But while I was there, I debuted a new colorway, or a new base rather, and it is called $19.99 Bulky. Now, for those of you all that have been watching my channel for a long time, you know that I am a huge Prince fan, and I name all of my bases either from songs that he's written or produced or sung himself. And we all know 1999, amazing song by Prince. And so someone asked me, what is the difference between Bat Dance Bulky and the 1999 Bulky? Back Then's bulky, which I haven't dyed on that base in a long time. But that base had nylon in it. I believe it was 20% nylon. However, this base is 100% superwash merino. And it is 106 yards, 100 grams. And it is a 3-ply weight. So, or it's a 3-ply. And this is the colorway Koi. So, I haven't had time to really update my shop just yet. But I will be having a Black Friday sale. So within the next couple of weeks, just look out for that. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, just, you know, to get that notification when the shop update will be. And I'll be having a Black Friday sale. So I really like this base. It's super squishy, super soft. And yeah, it's great. It is so soft. I'm excited to work with it myself. But this is called the 1999 Bulky. And I'm excited because I do have some new colorways coming. I've had new colorways for a while, but I've been dyeing them for different fiber festivals, and so I just haven't put them in the shop. But you know, the Peace Hill Festival, which was November 2nd, that was my last festival of the year. The next festival I will be going to is the Powhatan Festival of Fiber, and I'm super excited about that, and that will be in April. And so when that gets closer, I will definitely let you all know and keep you in the loop as to where I'm going to be. Alright, so let's see. Went over the base, the Black Friday sale. Alright, so that is all that I have to share with you all today. I'm still trying to decide on there were a couple of projects that I showed you all in the last Yarn Talk video. One was like a knit crepe shawl, and the other one was a sweater that I was making. Those are great patterns, but I'm not sure if I'm crazy about the weight of the yarn. I have come to realize that I prefer worsted weight yarn. I like DK, but fingering, lace, I don't know, maybe I could double strand those, but to me worsted is just my favorite weight of yarn to knit or crochet with. It's squishy, it's fast, I love it. So tell me, what is your favorite base to use when knitting or crocheting or weaving or whatever you do, and what is your least favorite and why? So what's your favorite? What's your least favorite base and why? It doesn't matter, knit, crochet, weave, I don't know, spin, whatever you want to do. Just let me know. What is your favorite and least favorite yarn base? Alright, that is all that I have for you all. Let me triple check my notes. Yeah, that is it. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. I'm not sure. Let me just check really quick. I know I have been getting close to 4,000 subscribers. I haven't, I try not to look at the number like too much, but since I thought about it, let me see. Okay, so we are at, it says 3.99 thousand. I guess that means we're almost there. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers. So that's exciting. Just thank you all so much for watching my videos. It's amazing. I really do enjoy it. And I've been doing this now for a little over 4 years, and it's been wonderful. So I just wanted to thank you all for your continuing support. Alright, that is all that I have. And until next time, bye!